How to tell if a politician is telling the truth? Whenever he's crossing his arms, like this, he might be telling the truth. Whenever he's stroking his chin, like this, he might be telling the truth. Whenever he looks at you straight in the eyes, he might be telling the truth. But when he opens his mouth, he is lying. There was a study on the connection between government employees and the sport they play. Ang paboritong sport daw ng mga entry-level na government employees ay basketball. Entry-level, meaning to say they start at the bottom. Kapag lower management position na, paborito daw nila ay bowling. Kapag upper management naman, paborito daw nila ay tennis. Ang paborito daw na sport ng mga high-level government officials is golf. The study then made this conclusion. Kapag tumataas ang posisyon mo sa gobyerno, lumiliit ang balls mo.